Hello, little ones. Thank you for joining us for story time today. And welcome all new friends. Hi, new friends. This is the book that we're going to read. It is called Click, Clack, Quack to School by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin, the creators of the New York Times bestseller Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. And you can see on the back all the different stories that they have written. Lots of cool stories, huh? So colorful. But this one is about a farmer who takes his farm animals to school. Yeah. So we're here with the farm animals at my house. They're chickens, and they might have a sneak peek little surprise visit while I'm reading the story to them today. So here we go. Click, clack, quack to school. Oh, what neat little pictures. These are the kind of pictures that children would draw in classroom. They use lots of colors and lots of crayons and colored pencils. Yeah, click, clack, quack to school. Oh, the duck has a letter. And the duck is looking at a letter that fell on the ground. I wonder if there's a letter in the story. Oh, look at that. On Monday, Duck brought a letter to Farmer Brown. Some of it was written in crayon. Look, I have a letter that says, Farmer Brown to Farmer Brown. I wonder if it's the same kind of letter. Okay, it says, Dear Farmer Brown, please be our guest at our farm day. Lunch tomorrow. Bring the animals too. Love, Dinkelmeyer Elementary School. P.S. What is your favorite color? How old are you? We have a turtle. Ooh, neat. I want to see a turtle. Okay, so Farmer Brown is thinking about packing food and going to the school. Like going to school for school. How fun. Farmer Brown was so excited. He had not been to school in a very, very long time. He must get the animals ready. Yeah. We are going to school tomorrow, he told the cows. We must get ready. The cows had never been to school. They were so excited. They stomped and clomped and mooed. Yeah, excited cows. School is very quiet, said Farmer Brown. There is no clomping, no stomping, and no mooing. The cows were not so excited anymore. We are going to school tomorrow, Farmer Brown told the chickens. They clapped and snapped and clack, clack, clacked. Woohoo! They were so excited. School is very serious, said Farmer Brown. There is no clapping, no snapping, and no clack, clack, clacking. The chickens were not so excited anymore. Farmer Brown arrived at the pig pen. We are going to school tomorrow, he announced. They hooted and hollered and oink, oink, oinked. School is very calm, said Farmer Brown. There is no hooting, no hollering, and no oink, oink, oinking. The pigs were not so excited anymore. Yeah. Farmer Brown arrived at the barn. Duck was meditating. Duck breathed in slowly and deeply. Oh, we are going to school tomorrow, said Farmer Brown. And there will be no stomping, clomping, snapping, clapping, booting, or hollering. So that's when Duck breathed in very deeply. And try not to be so ducky, said the Farmer Brown. Duck breathed out slowly and deeply. Farmer Brown handed out rule books, and the animals studied all night. No stomping, no clumping, no mooing. No clapping, no snapping, no cluck, cluck, clucking. No hooting, no hollering, no oink, oink, oinking. Don't be ducky. Oh, that's a rule book. The next morning, they lined up quietly in front of the truck with no stomping, clomping, clapping, snapping, hooting, or hollering. Farmer Brown was so proud. Yeah, so proud of his farm animals. And I'm proud of my farm animals. They were quiet and still on the ride to school. The cows were not mooing. The chickens were not clucky. The pigs were not oinky. Duck breathed in slowly and deeply. Duck breathed out slowly and deeply. Farmer Brown was so proud. When they arrived, they got off the truck quietly and waited in the empty schoolyard. The school seemed quiet, serious, and calm. Wonder why. And then the bell rang for recess. Uh-oh. The doors flew open and the yard was suddenly filled with wiggling and giggling, thinking and clunking, chirping and chattering, squeaking and squealing, zooming and zigging. So the cows got mooey and stomped. Uh-oh, that's not what cows are supposed to do in school, huh? Maybe at recess, though. And the chickens got clucky, clap, snap, clamped. And the pigs got oinky and hollered. And the mice read graphic novels in the shade. Okay. Inside the school, Ducky was just Ducky. Oh, it says principal. So Ducky sat inside in the principal's desk and pretended to be the principal. Okay. Be kind, be safe, be helpful, be honest, respect one another, don't eat the paste. Ooh, who eats the paste? Okay, well that was the end of the story. Yeah, that was pretty fun. We have lots of scribbling and coloring on this book. Yeah, so this book was probably for children that children got to look at. That's okay. Hope you enjoyed the story today. And I think my chickens liked it. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Okay, little ones. May I sit there, please? Thank you.